Here are 3 reasons why you should never drive on low tire pressure. There are many reasons why driving a car with low tire pressure is a bad idea. I'm just going to give you guys a few of them. Number 1 is going to be that you can have reduced handling. Basically, when you drive your car with low tire pressure, it makes your tires less responsive. That also means that your steering is going to feel sluggish. Number 2 is that you're going to have increased and uneven tire wear. That also means that you're going to be spending more money replacing the tires sooner than expected. You're also going to have poor fuel efficiency because low tire pressures increases rolling resistance, which forces the engine to work harder and spend more fuel. Your best option is going to be to check your tire pressure regularly. In my case, I also use this portable air compressor right here that I use anytime that I have low tire pressure. This one right here has a couple of options. I can either hook it up using this right here, this port that connects to electricity from your wall outlet, or you can also have this one right here that connects to your 12 volts inside of the car. And inside here, you're gonna find information on your tire pressure, okay? So in this case, is this 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. We see that the front requires a 30 PSI pressure and the rears requires 33 PSI. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I got this thing hooked up right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect this inside of the car. And you're gonna find this right here, this 12 volt socket. We're going to remove this cover right here, and then we're going to go ahead and plug this in right there. Then we're going to go ahead and start the engine. And one thing to note is that you're going to want to have this valve right here within reach of this, okay? So if it's too high, then it's going to be kind of sticking out like that. It's not going to be in a very good position. So just make sure that if you need to move the car back a little bit or forward, just so that you have a good reach right here. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Close it up, and then I'm gonna go down here, and then I'm gonna look for the PSI, okay? And right now it's not in the correct setting for my case, so let's go ahead and hit this right here. Now we're in PSI. I know that I need 30 in the front, so I'm gonna go ahead and increase this, set it at 30, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, so we're at 30 PSI now here. This is the tire that was indicating that had low pressure. And anytime that I get an indication on the dash saying that the tire pressure is low, I check all my tires, I refill them up, not just the one that's having the issue. Because it's normal for tire pressure to go down over time. When you're done filling up the tires, you may still see this in the dash showing that the tire pressure is still low, and that's normal. You're just gonna need to drive the car around a little bit and the tire pressure monitoring system will update itself. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.